Sicelo sebide ngoba uyathithiza akithi ukuthi kwetsahalang kayena mara mthunzi yena uzoyidla yonke imali yakhe mangabe ethithiza kanje. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on e.tv Scanner from the 9th to the 13th of June 2025 on Monday. All signs point to Mthunzi's effort finally gaining traction. The Gasa children are in the turmoil and Lihle blames Madlomo. Mathubela's questions deeply hurt Hloge on Tuesday. Kgopolo enlists poet as his inside man. A father uses culture to justify his transgression to his son. A traditional remedy becomes the final breach of trust for Hloge on Wednesday. Something happens at Etembeni that shakes a concerned aunt. A scandal erupts in the tabloids, bringing a private affair into the spotlight. Hloge holds her ground while Mathubela is made to face the weight of her actions on Thursday. An unsettling occurrence has Tebs and Sanda questioning everything and fearing the worst. Mdala help Hloge see different perspectives. Ndloso find himself exposed in a very public way on Friday. A father's world tilts when he is powerless to help someone he loves. A quiet nudge encourages Dintle to find a new and creative way to get what she wants. TD's shocking discovery lands her in a legal bind. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.